And welcome back. We're here with another graphics card teardown. Now this is a bit of an interesting one, and it's fairly dusty. I didn't properly clean it, so apologies in advance. So this is a GTX 560 Forse, and the interesting thing about this is I've asked a couple people around about it because I couldn't find any information on this brand or this card, and a lot of people are saying that this card could be a recycled GPU chip card from China. And if there's any tech people in the comments below, you know about the X70, X79, and X58 motherboards that have the recycled chipsets on there. This is the same premise. This is possibly a graphics card chip from a dead or defective graphics card in some way, recycled and put onto a brand new PCB that was custom made and everything. Because I have not found anything about, I've not found out any information about this card. The only thing that throws me off is that it's very dusty. So it could not be that at all. It could just be a Chinese brand that there's not a lot of information out there on. So anyways, getting into it, we're going to tear this thing down. And to start us off, I have to find the fan connector. This is blind because I'm not taking apart this card, but it is right there. Your fan connector is right there, so be aware of that when you geez, brain fart, when you take apart this card. So in order to take apart this card, we are going to, because this is a chip card, I believe, it does not have an IHS. You need to do these in a diagonal pattern, like this. You loosen it a little bit, then you move on to the next one here, and then you go that way, and then that way. And you sort of just do that over and over until you get the whole thing off. You don't want to chip your GPU die. It's a bad time, believe me. So, alright, and that's it. So that is off. We'll put that off to the side. This should take no force whatsoever to come off unless you have some really old thermal paste. Just be gentle. Mine just comes off like that. I've seen worse thermal paste. It's definitely like some sort of factory stuff. Really weird. That is a big die though. Huh. Anyways, so just disconnect our fan connector there. And if you want to take out the entire thing, I'm not going to. These 4 screws, and actually one of them is loose. Interesting. It's stripped. Ah, it's broken. That's why. Okay. That makes a lot more sense. So setting that off to the side, if you want to take off this little metal piece, there's a screw right here. Then if you want to take off all these, you take a hex 5 or a hex bit size 5 and just there you go. I'm not going to take it off purely because I got better things to do right now. And that's it. That was a very simple teardown of a Forse GTX 560. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ding dong the notification bell. Later.